So I'm going to show you two ways to add subtitles in DaVinci Resolve. First method is a manual method. You have to write all the subtitles. The second method, it is auto subtitles, but is paid and it's in DaVinci. And by the third method, you don't use DaVinci Resolve. If you're looking for a fast method where you don't add subtitles manually, but instead is just an auto subtitles method, right? So here the manual way is just to, if you right click here and you click on add subtitles track, now you have subtitles 1, and here from here you can add subtitles now, right? But this method is, it's kind of tedious and takes some time, to add all the subtitles here. As you can see here, you create caption, and now even from this time to this time, you have to, you have to write what is being said in that video. Hello, just you have to listen this portion of this video, and write this seconds for how long this caption will last, for how long you're gonna have this caption, for how long, for which portion of this video. So yeah, it takes a lot of time. So yeah, you just have to listen. Okay, this portion I'm saying hello. For other portion, click on add new. For around 10 seconds I'm saying how are you doing. I don't know, I hope you understand what I'm saying. But now the second method is for DaVinci Resolve Studio. You have auto subtitles. If you have auto subtitles, you just have to go to timeline, and around here you should see create auto subtitles, which I don't have because I don't have the paid version. So yeah, that's what you have to do. Now the method, the method that where you can now add auto subtitles, but you don't have to use DaVinci Resolve. Now the third method is to actually use CapCut. CapCut has an inbuilt feature to add auto caption as DaVinci Resolve has, but you have to pay. But in the CapCut you don't have to. And here all you have to do is just to import your video, and then it's very simple. Let's say I have this video, that's already a project. Just have to download CapCut, obviously. And here if you drag a video and you go to text, and here in text you go to auto captions, and here you can select your language and then click on create, and you'll just create some auto captions for this video. So let's actually test. Let me demonstrate to you. So yeah, depends now on the language of the video. That will impact how long you have to wait, but otherwise, yeah, it's just awesome. And now, as you can see, I have captions, control, and with the wheel to zoom in. As you can see here, now I have captions, and the captions are pretty accurate. If there's a caption that is not accurate, you can simply select it and then here change it. You can also add fonts. As you can see, you can increase the text, decrease. But yeah, if you have, can change the font. If you have DaVinci Resolve Studio version, then you don't have to install CapCut, or it's all good, you can use DaVinci Resolve. So I really hope, guys, this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you can have a fantastic day. Take care.